I was born a god, then dragged through the mud to learn what hell truly is. When my family begged for mercy, the world laughed, so I returned to laugh louder. Justice is a mask the powerful wear until they're ready to strike. Every thread I pulled was stitched from pain I refused to feel again. I wasn't cruel by chance. I was sculpted by betrayal and fire. The celestial dragons abandoned me. I became their twisted echo. My kingdom was not built on love, but on fear, precision, and control. Corazon believed in light. I only ever saw the beauty in shadows. The Ito Ito no Mi gave me more than power, it gave me theater. Weakness is a luxury I slaughtered in myself as a child. Dressrosa smiled because I forced it to. That was order in its purest form. My empire beneath the sea of smiles was more honest than the world government. They call me a villain, but villains sleep soundly when their kingdom obeys. My brother died trying to save me from myself. He failed. Law. He was my legacy gone rogue. I respect that. When I look at my reflection, I see strings even in my own eyes. I wasn't playing God. I was reclaiming what was taken from me. Flamingo feathers hide the scars no one ever cared to see. My downfall wasn't defeat, it was finally feeling something real. I was never free, just the most dangerous puppet of all.